Hi, in our previous video we talked about the TEXTBEFORE and TEXTAFTER functions. Our delimiter then was for situations like this, where we have a dash between two words. And the other one we had was when we had a constant phrase that we want to use as a delimiter. But this morning, let's say we have scenarios like this. It can be in any data you are working with, but today we are working with students' names. And we want to have a text before and text after. So, in this scenario, what we're going to use is a space. I'll show you this. Here we use TEXTAFTER, and our delimiter is a dash. In this other example, we use text before here, and we have a constant word, department. We want to have the text before. So for this scenario, I'm going to say equals for the first name, text before, I'll pick here, comma, my parenthesis. Since the delimiter here is a space, we're going to use that space. Yeah, close my bracket, press enter. See that I have a mocha. So I can drag this or double-click this to autofill the rest. For the last name, it's still the same function, but the only change is what we want. So I'll just do equals text after, pick this, then still open my parenthesis, space, then close my bracket, enter. We have text after the space, which is the last name. So I'll double-click this, and we have our information. So there are various ways you can separate your words. It's either using a function or just allowing Excel to master the command. We've done that in our previous video. You can always look back and check how you can split your text in various ways we have discussed on before. I hope this is helpful. See you in the next one.